Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your policy limits with Nationwide detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your policy limits with Nationwide, begin by visiting the Nationwide website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the sign up option. Once logged in, navigate to the policies section of your dashboard. Select the policy you wish to update from the list displayed. Look for the option labeled Policy Limits or Coverage Options. Click on that option to view your current limits and coverage details. Review the existing policy limits and decide the changes you wish to make. You may see various coverage types listed, such as liability or property damage. Select the specific coverage type you want to update. Adjust the limits by using the provided sliders or input fields. Make sure to review any suggested limits or recommendations provided by the system. After entering your new limits, look for a Review Changes button and click it. Carefully read through the summary of changes to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm your updates. You may be asked to provide additional information or documentation, depending on the changes. Once confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding the update. Keep this email for your records as proof of the changes made. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Nationwide customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.